Aujourd'hui, le 1er mai, c'est la fête internationale des travailleurs, célébrée partout dans le monde. Et ça ne fait pas exception ici, à Dacca, au Bangladesh, où je me trouve dans une manifestation de travailleuses et de travailleurs de l'industrie du textile. Et ce qu'ils demandent, le demande principale, c'est d'avoir des meilleurs salaires. Parce qu'en ce moment, si tu mentionnes 14%, retenez ce chiffre, c'est l'écart entre le salaire général des travailleurs et travailleuses de l'industrie du textile et ce qu'il leur faudrait pour atteindre un salaire minimal pour vivre décemment.
We demand our workers, formal and informal, all sectors should be get the national minimum wage, and national minimum wage should be 23,000 Dacca. Freedom of expression and freedom of association, right to organize, right to bargain is a worker rights. We want social protection because COVID time our brother and sister lost job and they don't have any protection. We want to maternity leave 6 months.
Our workers, they are poor, they cannot actually get their 6 months maternity leave, and their poor baby, they are actually living with their parents in their village. In Bangladesh, there are numbers of brands and the retailers are sourcing in our garment industry, like from Europe, Australia, USA, Canada, and some other countries in the globe. Might be very soon we are getting this due diligence. So brand and businessmen who are business in our country, they should be also follow the due diligence and their act, which is respective to the garment worker rights, the worker rights, and overall the human rights.
This is our Workers' Day, women's security, and we are wanted our country women's legal security.
And also we need the just transition. We don't need to change the climate. We need to change the system. So this is the time to change the system, not the climate, because it is not in our hands.